Hello guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov and today I will show you how we can create pattern using Adobe Capture CC mobile application, and I will show how we can use that pattern in Adobe Photoshop CC. First of all, I have opened my Capture CC and I'm on a pattern workspace. Here I have option to create my new pattern. I will click on plus sign. And as you can see, I have my spinner. Why I'm using spinner? Just because my spinner has kind of light bright color and I want to work today with light and bright colors. Basically you can capture pretty much anything at any place. Just point your camera and capture a beautiful pattern. So I will position my camera, I will point my camera to a specific point on my spinner, and as you can see at the bottom of my workspace, I have many different options to create my pattern with. If I will click on this or this icon, let's see what I will use today. Probably I will use a second, just like that. Let me see. And I will click on a capture image button, just like that. Here I can option to modify my pattern. I can rotate my picture. So if you will see if I'm rotating my wheel, I'm creating new pattern. So just like that. Maybe I will click on next. Here I can preview my pattern. I will click next. And here I can rename my pattern. I will just apply number 3, and I have option to where I want to save my pattern. I'm saving my pattern in my Creative Cloud library under demo name and save pattern. If I would like to modify my pattern, I can do it as well. I will click on pattern I would like to modify. I will click edit, and I can modify my pattern at any time. After that, I will click next and save. Also, I able to preview my pattern. I can preview info and I can preview image of my pattern. And now I will go to my library. Now, after I save my pattern in my Creative Cloud library, I will be able to use this pattern at any Adobe application, any desktop or mobile application. And now I'm in Adobe Photoshop CC 2017. I have opened my image I downloaded from Adobe Stock. Now I will switch my library from Adobe Stock to my demo library, and as you can see, I have my pattern we just created with you in Adobe Capture CC. So what I would like to do right now, I would like to exchange boring white background to something more fashionable. I will click on my pattern and I will scale my pattern probably to 11. Click OK. And now what I would like to do, I would like to change blending mode to multiply, and I will bring down opacity of my layer. Just like that. As you can see, I have a pattern layer with layer mask already. I will click on layer mask. I will switch to simple brush tool with a black color. I will increase opacity to 100% and I will increase size of my brush, and I will paint out part of my background, just like that. As you can see, we basically finished exchanging background from boring white background to something very fashionable using pattern we created in Adobe mobile application. It's free application, it's Capture CC, and I just need a few more seconds to clean up edges of her outfit, just like that. Definitely you can spend more time and make a better job. I will bring down size of my brush and I will clean up edges around her fingers, just like that. And I'm done. Also, as you can see, her head has kind of transparency. Edges of her head had transparency effect. To add transparency effect to her head, I will bring down opacity of my brush, probably to 22, 23, and I will paint out edges of her head, just like that, and voila. What I will do right now, I will rasterize my layer. I will use selection tool. You can use any selection tool you are most comfortable with. I will select part of her surface she's leaning at. I assume this is kind of surface with a reflection. I think it's glass or something like that. I will copy and I will delete this part of her table. And now I will paste and I will bring down opacity of this layer, just like that. Because I assume it's kind of a glass or something like that, I will add blur effect. You can add any blur effect you are again most comfortable with, just like that. And I will bring opacity down more. And I will add a layer mask. And using a simple brush tool with black color, I will paint out part around her elbows, just like that. And voila, our image is done. So we used a free Adobe mobile application, Adobe Capture CC. We created pattern. We saved that pattern in demo library. We opened that pattern in Adobe Photoshop CC, and we exchange background of our image in no time. Thank you guys, and I will see you later. Bye.